Welcome, friends. Today we are going to talk about color pickers. I didn't know what a color picker was, and so I had to kind of look it up. I was way behind on the times when it came to that. So, what is a color picker? A color picker lets you go into an image and pick out any color that you have that might not be in your wheel. So when you come over here in Canva, you're going to hit your plus button. You will see this eyedropper. And with this eyedropper, you can come over and pick any color out of your photo or something you might have made in another program and you don't have that color for. You can pick it out. It'll actually give you a hex code for it. So if you want to use this across anything else, you can write this hex code down to have it next time. You can also go in with your color picker and you can change it over. Now that we have gradients, you can go into gradients and it will put a gradient to it. You can actually go in here and color pick again. And let's go and pick the blue out of this. This was a little PowerPoint slide that I made a long time ago. So you can do that. And let's add some, let's go far up and do white. Or I can color pick my white out of here. And then you can go in here and change the orientation of your gradient and all that too. Here is another thing about the color picker you might not know. So if you have Windows like I do, a Windows computer, you can hit the Windows button and the left or the right to split your screen. That is something when I made documentation was so important. It was so helpful working on documentation when you had to have two documents instead of going from one screen to the other. You could have two on one screen and work on them. But the other thing you can do, let's add a page for different colors, is go over to your color picker and watch this. It's a whole different page altogether. You can go completely out of Canva and pick colors. So I can hit my color picker and I can go over here and go up here and pick my colors. Isn't that awesome? So that's a quick little tidbit on how to use your color picker. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. And if you would kindly please like and subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it. And I thank you for stopping by. Until next time, love, Michelle.